Hello everyone, welcome to our airport customer service course. In today's lesson, we will talk about the causative. Look at the conversation and notice the form of the verbs we use. Do you think I could borrow your car this afternoon? Mine is at the repair shop and I need to pick up my mom at the hospital. I'm sorry, but I'm going to need it. I would let you use it if I did not have a doctor's appointment this afternoon. No problem, I will sort it out. I have an idea. Maybe you could get Jack to lend you his car. That's a good idea. I will have him lend me his car. He owes me a few favors. Last Friday we went out and he made me pay the bill. Here we have some explanation about the uses of the causative. We use the causative to express the idea that one person persuades or causes another person to do something. We have four verbs that we are going to explain. Let's start with get. Get expresses the idea that one person persuades another to do something. We use get plus an object plus an infinitive. Example, I'll get the waiter to correct the check. Did she get her friends to give money to the school? We use have to express the idea to give someone the responsibility to do something. Have plus an object and a base form. Example, I'll have my assistant call your office. We had them bring the papers today. We use make to express the idea that one person forces another to do something. We use make plus an object plus a base form. Example, she made her sign the form. Should we make your sister pay for dinner? Finally, let indicates that permission is being given to do something. Let plus object plus base form of a verb. Example, my boss let me take the day off. The passenger let her friend check his itinerary. As you can see, the only verb that uses the infinitive is get out of these four verbs. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.